C5 Corvette, misfire diagnosis. Car came from an auction. The auction just said engine issues. After a little bit of digging around, I had found out that this had a small engine fire on this side. And some telltale signs. The hood right here, it's damage right there from fire. The fuel line, this is not a factory fuel line, it's an aftermarket one. So the original one may have burst or something, and that's what started the fire. You can see the alternator here. The plastic is melted. And the misfire was spark plug wire. This is burned up. And then it had engine codes for driver's side O2 sensor, wheel speed sensors, oil temperature sending unit, and misfire on cylinder 7, I believe it was, right here. Cylinder number 7. All the codes are because the harness down by the exhaust that runs behind the motor was all burned up. So I've been replacing all the wiring on it. And just need to get some plugs and wires. The other thing is what was all this green stuff everywhere? It's all over the car. Green everywhere. Green here, green down there. I thought it was coolant, dry coolant, but a quick little taste on the tongue and it stings like some kind of chemical, which coolant is sweet. And I believe they used some sort of a fire extinguisher to put out the fire, and it had green in it maybe. So should be able to get this thing up and running fairly easily.